Hello and welcome to let me sit down. Hello and welcome to the next video. I'm not doing a YouTube short now because I was only doing them to do the get more subscribers hopefully. This is a part 3 of a normal wacky washy video. I thought I'd do quite a few things with this because I've not used it yet and I want to make the most out of this video. These videos I'm doing. Excuse me. Yeah, I thought I'd crank up some videos today because the sunlight is lovely. It's bloody hot. I've got a sweat on because I've just done those YouTube shorts. I've been after fasting furious of videos. So yeah, I crank up this video, crank up this washing machine and see what happens. So yeah. So I'll put the ticket there. Something that's all nice. There we go. There we go, stadium. Let's see where I do it again. Put it on the floor like that. Let's put one in. That's 2. That's 2. Woo! So I could touch it like that one, you know. So I'm going to put the dry ball in and see what this happens. That's a dry ball by the way, so that's in. I'll just let it go around again and let's see if we can tip it up and let's see what happens. There again, but we're doing that too then. See that there. Yeah, I'm also going to have to try and hear for the door as well because I'm waiting for some ice cream to be delivered. I've got another idea. I'm going to put the powder ball in the washer. I'll put this on. I'll show you what I mean. I'll go and get it from my not kitchen, my utility room. I don't know what to get to it at the moment. Yeah, I've got these now. Yeah, you can see those. I've got those now, so I'll put these in. That's stored in that. That's the powder ball. You see it on camera there. I've got another one, yeah. That was quite a bigger one, that one. That looks like it's about to go out. Yeah. So yeah, I'll put this one in there, just as a powder ball. That was stolen. Bring it in camera again. Yeah, that's what we put in there. Not bad on that. So I'll see what happens when it just rolls. that then? Bloody hell. It's like one of those things I used to play when I couldn't put money in it. I don't know if you remember them. Yeah. When they were doing that with the powder ball then, it reminded me of one of those that I used to have as a kid. I don't know, well not, I don't know if you saw one in shopping centres, those where you swirly things and you put money in it and you watch it go round in that spinny thing, and yeah, that was a bit like that then, it was trying to go in there. So yeah, I've had quite a few balls today. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. I know it's another, not a long short one, but I'm going to do another short in a few minutes, so yeah, stay tuned and I'll see you in the next video.